Hi, welcome to the DVD on osteoarthritis. I know this condition pretty well myself because you can get osteoarthritis, which by the way is not the same thing as osteoporosis. Osteoarthritis, as you will learn, is about joint disease. And I have a good osteoarthritis right here from repetitive trauma because I was a chiropractor, and all those years of adjusting people and pushing people and working on their muscles, well, that caused osteoarthritis in that particular joint. But I've been able to take care of it, and this is what I want to teach you in these series on Be Your Own Health Expert. There's a lot that you can do about osteoarthritis. So I hope you enjoyed this because you're now in Dr. Lonnie's Learning Lab. Osteoarthritis, as you will see, is the most common form of joint pain that we have, and especially as we're aging, to contend with. There is a lot of nonsense out there. There is the extreme view from the Western model. People get a diagnosis, whatever it is, and they are quickly offered a medication for that rather than looking to find the cause of whatever that particular condition is. And often there is a cause and an alternative / natural treatment for it, rather than applying a drug to the problem. And then we have the other extreme. We have the alternative extreme sometimes, where there is a study on 6 rats and then a supplement being sold for that particular product and with no basis at all. So it is, there's a lot to sort out as we are living in this time of an overabundance of available information. It's difficult for me to sort out, and honestly, that's all I do. I'm constantly doing research and trying to sort things out and getting the best information that I can for myself, my family, my patients, my friends, etc. So first of all, I'd like to talk about the terms that we'll be using today. Quite often, the word osteoarthritis, osteoarthrosis, and osteoporosis are all confused. So if we break down the word osteoarthrosis, is osteo is bone, arth joint, and osis is condition of. So anytime you see that osis at the end of a word, that's what it means. So you can have even bone spurs and things like that and some degeneration in a joint and not be experiencing pain. So when you are experiencing pain, it's the itis. The itis is what indicates that it's painful. And osteoporosis, of course, is bone, porous, and a condition of. Degenerative joint disease, or DJD, is also the same thing as osteoarthritis. So when we hear these terms, sometimes they're interchangeable. And for today, what I'm going to be using when I'm talking about the condition of osteoarthrosis, osteoarthritis, both of them together, I'm going to be using the term osteoarthritis just to make it easier for me. Okay, so osteoporosis is not osteoarthritis. I've had so many people mix these things up. So you now know the difference between them. Arth means joint, and POR means porous. So one thing to understand is that you can have either of these conditions